Dr. Dan is here every Monday live to answer your medical questions. We have one question. Oh, actually, we have two. But first up,
they're related.
They're kind of playing off of each other a little bit. The first one is, could taking birth control affect your fertility later on? Also, are there any homeopathic or natural birth control methods?
All right, I'll answer the first one first. Taking birth control pills, I think the questioner was saying, hey, is it going to be a problem for me later on? But actually, when we think of birth control pills, it's probably an enhancement. The way birth control pills work is it stops ovulation. We think giving the ovaries a rest is a good thing. It's kind of like after a pregnancy, sometimes people are more fertile too. So there's about 15 and 20% of the population of women that have problems getting pregnant because they're not ovulating. They go on birth control pills and they actually have enhanced fertility for about 6 months afterwards. So I would answer that as no, it's not a cause of infertility, it's a cause of fertility. I think the second part of the question was homeopathic or natural forms. Well, unfortunately, until 1960, when birth control pills came out, that was the whole problem. People couldn't plan their families because there isn't really any good way of suppressing ovulation short of taking hormones to suppress that pituitary axis. And so really there isn't a good homeopathic way. That's why we use birth control pills or those other, the IUDs and so forth. So I can't think of a plant or anything like that to tell people that they could do to become to not get pregnant, other than abstinence, I suppose.
All right. So our second question, it was kind of a two-part question there, but our second question is: are there any natural methods to increase your chance of getting pregnant? If so, which ones are better than others?
I was getting these questions confused in my mind because the first questioner says, how do I not get pregnant? And here's a natural way to get pregnant. Well, the natural way to get pregnant is to stay healthy. There's really the big three as far as inhibiting pregnancy, which is infections in the woman, not ovulating, or a low sperm count. So low sperm count, man needs to not be a smoker. That includes marijuana too, and avoid really heat sources like hot tubbing and so forth if there's a question of the sperm count. It has nothing to do with the frequency of intercourse, though. So a man can have intercourse every day and it really doesn't lower the sperm count on a healthy man. A woman needs to not be overweight or not too underweight. NSAIDs like Advil right around ovulation is bad, and then of course alcohol and tobacco would be bad. And then don't get STDs. So be particular about your partner. Don't go and get an STD, because if you want to be infertile, get an STD.
All right. Thanks, Dr. Dan. He joins us every Monday to answer your medical questions. If you have a question, you can write to him or email at the addresses on your screen. You can also post a question on our News 10 Facebook page. We'll be right back with more News 10 at 5.